Masumpa Mancotywa, a pioneer in education, the Ross Junior Secondary School is a proud legacy. He built the school. Mancotywa also has a military background. During the First World War, he served a full term with his twin brother. But after the war, they were forcefully removed from Denny. Today, the Ross Mission unveiled a monument in Mancotywa's honor.
We are trying to inspire young people through this event. We do it in December because we want to save them, more especially from crime, because Mthatha has become a very violent sport in the whole country, where violent crimes are increasing day by day.
The festival is also an opportunity to showcase and develop sporting talent in the region.
Ever since bushbacks left and others actually died, you've seen a decline. Now we're bringing back that culture of having these young people not just to scout for themselves, but they must be scouted.
The two-day event ended with a grand musical concert. SABC News, Ross Mission, Mthatha.